Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So before we jump up on today's topic, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel, then please do subscribe, and if you like, then please don't forget to click big thumbs up. So today's topic is very common and we all are dealing with that situation. So today's topic is that how we can stop ourselves to think that what others think about me, right? So if you think like that, who the hell I am to tell you about that how to control what others think about me. So let me tell you my story, because I personally believe that people will not follow you only by your words. They will definitely follow you when you show them your actions. So, and we all know that actions speaks louder than words. So during my school time, I was too scared that what others think about me, and I was too shy. I always care about that if I do this thing, that what others will think about me, and because of that I missed a lot of chances in my life. So that was also the story. And you know what, till my graduation I was the same person. I didn't have that much confidence to talk new people and to go to visit in social gathering. I really don't want to do that. I was too conscious about that what others will think about me. But you know what, most of the time people will not think about you, but you are think about always that what they will think about you, and because of that you missed a lot of chances in your life, because you don't want that they will make fun of you, and you don't want that they will say something about you. But you should understand that you can do anything, but people will say what they want to say, and you can't control them. Right now, as you can see, I have started the channel. I have also started my blog, and you know what, as I have started this thing, I am also prepared about that what others will think about me, and I am done with it. So it's okay if you guys are think about me. It's okay whatever you are thinking about it, because it's not in my control. But what will be in my control, I can control my own feelings, that what I need to follow and what I need to care. You always care about others, that what they will think about you, then you will never be able to do what you want to do in your life, because you always afraid that what others will think about you. So today I'll give you some tips which will help you that how you can stop ourselves to think what others will think about you. Okay, so let's start. So start with this first point, which is mind your own business. Yes, so if you are one of them who always want to know about that what is happening in others' personal life, and if you always eager to know about what others are doing, then you won't be able to control your feelings. You always care about that what others think about you. So if you are one of them, then please stop it and just be productive. And when you will be productive, then you will always focus on that what you are doing in your life. And when you are doing what you want to do in your life, then you don't have time to think about what others are doing. So be productive and mind your own business. So let's move to the next point, which is don't try to please everyone. Yes, it's not your responsibility, first of all. And if you are still doing this thing and just because you want to be in everyone's good book, then please don't do this, because it's not in your control. You can do anything, but still not everybody will like you. You can do anything. You know, even sometimes when you ask them that why they don't like you, they don't have the exact reason that why they don't like you. So don't care about that what they are doing, that what they are thinking about you. You are not responsible to please everyone. If you feel like that you are doing great, if you feel like that these things makes you feel happy, then you should do it. You don't, and if your intention is pure, if your intention is not to hurt anyone intentionally, then you don't need to care about it. Let's move to the next point, which is surround yourself with positive people. Yes, surrounding matters a lot. So if you are surround yourself with those people who always ready to spread negativity all the time, then you will definitely think like them. So don't spend your time on those people. Instead of doing this, you can spend your more time on those things which actually give you some positive vibes, which will actually help you to motivate, which will actually help you to inspire. Then you should spend your time on those things, and it will definitely help you to control your thinking. If you surround yourself with those people, then you will definitely get a positive vibe, and you don't care about that what others think about you. Let's move to the last point, which is love yourself. Yes, If you don't love yourself, then you won't be able to make others feel happy. So first try to impress yourself, first try to make yourself feel happy, and when you are happy, only then you will be able to spread positivity. You should be proud of yourself, that who you are, and just do what you want to do in your life. And if you are always care about others, that what they will think about you, then you won't be able to do what you want to do in your life. So that's all I got for today. I hope you learned something from it, and if you like this video, then please do like, share and comment on this, and comment below. And you can also follow me on my Instagram account, which is positive vibes 590. So bye bye, take care. I'll definitely meet you very soon in my next video. Till then, stay positive.